Today I'll share the recipe of a very healthy and wholesome breakfast. Sometimes we just need to take a break and just cook something instantly, and yes, this breakfast cooks instantly. Just we need to soak the ingredients for some time and leave it, and once you make it you will be a fan of this dish. It's quite tasty, can be made with a lot of variations and can be served with your favorite tomato ketchup, mayonnaise, and if you have kids they will surely love it. Hey guys, I am Subhankari and I welcome you all to my channel So's Food Corner. I hope you all are doing great in your lives, and if you are new to my page, subscribe to my page and do not forget to tap the bell button. And thank you all for loving my channel so much and liking my videos so much. So let's begin. For this healthy whole wheat pancakes, I will take your whole wheat flour atta around 1 cup or 150 grams, some semolina or suji around 2 tablespoons, and by tablespoon I am just clarifying it, this spoon, the small ones, is teaspoon, so we just need the bigger spoon if we don't have a measuring spoon in our homes. And then I have taken curd here, homemade curd around 100 grams or half cup, and then I will take baking soda, a pinch, just a pinch. More baking soda will alter the flavor. And then I have taken turmeric powder around half teaspoon and cumin seeds around half teaspoon. Chaat powder I will take around 1 teaspoon and warm water around 250 ml. Amount of water will obviously depend upon the quality of your semolina, so I have just taken on average. And then I have taken few ingredients, I have just mixed them and kept it in one bowl. First there is 1 medium size finely chopped onions, half inch ginger finely grated, then comes green chilies finely chopped according to your taste, and coriander, fresh coriander leaves around 1/4 cup. So let's begin. First I have taken a bowl, in that I will add the whole wheat flour, semolina, and then the curd, and then I will add water just a little and start mixing. Actually I will just add half the amount of water at this stage to make a nice smooth mixture, and gradually when we will add water, the semolina will start to soak the water and the paste will literally become very smooth in consistency. See, in this way. Now cover and let it rest for good 1 hour, and after 1 hour my batter will be ready to add the other ingredients. Then give it a nice mix and add turmeric powder, cumin seeds, and the mix of all the onions, ginger and chilies. Then goes the pinch of baking soda and salt according to my taste. At this stage you can add chaat powder, as I said, this will give a very nice flavor. Mix this nicely and you can adjust water according to your need. To make pancakes I have heated a pan here on medium flame, and then I will just grease it nicely with some oil and then pour 1 to 2 spoons of this batter. Spread it uniformly. Be gentle with this process, otherwise it may break. And now let the flame be on medium, and gradually you will see there will be pores on this pancake. This indicates this pancake is perfect, the mixture is perfect, and it also cooking in a great way because it will gradually cook. Once the pores appear, that means the batter has nicely fermented. And then just add a little butter at the side of the pancakes. So if you want, you can also add normal cooking oil. And once it is nicely cooked from the upper surface, now flip it and increase the flame to medium. So make sure first you cook the pancake at low flame, and after flipping you can increase the flame to medium, and then again flip it and you can see a nice golden crust, and you can see how beautiful the colors are looking. There is some coriander, there are chilies, there are some onions, and this give a very nice color to our pancakes. And now just cook it by flipping it 1 to 2 times, and our pancakes are ready to be savored. Remove from heat, and again if the pan is heated, let the pan cool a bit, and then add a little bit of oil, grease it, and then you can make pancakes in the same way. I will just show you how I am making the other. And as I said, once you pour this pancake and spread it evenly, these pancakes will gradually cook, and so you can see the color changes and it will become very nice and crispy from outside. And the good thing in this pancakes is that this can be altered. As I said, you can add according to your choice some veggies, you can also add some cottage cheese. So what I have shown you is just a basic variety. that can be made instantly, as I said. And if you want, you can give variations to your pancakes. You can add some cheese, you can add some cottage cheese. So in this way I have made my pancakes, and you can see how soft, fluffy they are. They are so soft, and actually for the people who do not prefer a very crunchy breakfast because of their old age or because of their taste, they can have this. And I have served these pancakes. One pancake I have just kept it whole, and the others I have cut it into halves, and then I have rolled it. And how beautiful they are looking, I have just stacked them. It's completely depends upon your choice. And yes, this can be served with mayonnaise, ketchup, or any dipping sauce of your own wish, or just these pancakes also. They are really delicious, they are really yum. And the good thing of these pancakes are they are made of whole wheat, so you need not to worry about the nutritional value. Give them a try, you will love them. I hope you have liked my video. If you have liked the video, do give a thumbs up, share with your family and friends, and do not forget to subscribe to my page. See you in next video. Till then, stay safe, love life, and happy fooding.